everybody, Justin Worden. You're watching What's New in Electronics. We are here on the floor of Productronica 2025 in Munich, Germany. You and I spend so much time together, and we're in Munich, Germany.
Yes, isn't that great? We have to travel halfway around the world just to get together again.
To do what we do all over in our backyard. Anyways, I am here with Michael from Green Circuits. Michael, how are you doing today, man?
Doing great. How are you?
I love it. This is my first time here on this side of the pond, and this is a very busy show.
It has been. This is an opportunity for us to see technology, what's happening around the world, and how we can bring it back to the U.S. As you know, we have one facility in Silicon Valley. We're a high-mix, quick-turn shop, so seeing what the rest of the world does can help us figure out how to more effectively serve our markets and customers.
Well, whoever said the economy's slowing down might be lying, because as far as this industry goes, we're probably pushing 500,000 people plus at this show.
Wow, that's a lot. We're certainly seeing, from our perspective, a lot of growth and innovation across aerospace, medical, AI, certainly in the United States, and it seems like it's a global demand.
It is a global demand, and with AI comes the data centers, and that seems to be a very hot topic now. Like, how are we keeping up with the demand? Technology is advancing at such a rate, but we're starting to hit that breaking point of, can we even support the technology we're rolling out?
It's, for us, what we are seeing, particularly in AI, is a lot of iterative work, and I think that's because it has so much white space ahead of it. And we're seeing that not only in the designs and the boards, but the cooling systems and applications.
So we talk a lot about automation, and I get up here and I get to interview a lot of people, and I get to talk to people like yourself, and we're obviously trying to speed the process up. Right. Automation, that's what it is. Speed it up, make it faster, and also make it error-proof.
Right.
But with a facility like yours, high mix, low volume, but also very high reliability, how much automation can you actually do? It's
limited, but we're exploring, trying to find different ways to do it. We've introduced robots to move components and chips around the building. That's more efficient. We've also started trying to find ways to be automated in the surrounding processes, not so much in the production side, just by the nature of the work that we do.
Yeah, and you and I just had a conversation before we got on camera of new, unique ways we can save time and automate. You know,
yes.
So many of these conversations focus mainly or primarily on the production side of it, but there's pre-production, there's post-production, there's even things like when you get into HR, hiring and firing and
right.
training and how you do your training. Manufacturing is so much more than just building the product that's walking out the doors.
That's absolutely true. I mean, we were talking about devices that can help image so that we can keep high levels of traceability. Those are processes that can be automated. Things like that are on the backside of our programs.
Well, I think that's a testament to why Green Circuits are growing at the rate that you are in a time when, you know, it's like, is the economy growing? Are we standing down? Vehicles pretty much pausing
right.
all new production. You know, Green Circuits continues to grow and hit new thresholds, but I think it's because, or I know it's because you are focusing on those other areas that speed up the process.
Absolutely true. I think we're always trying to find ways to be more efficient and more effective in what we do. Higher traceability and adapt to ever-increasing complexity in the types of builds that we're seeing.
So with your specific type of business, that high mix, low volume, high reliability, your customers are also very demanding. Yes. So how are you dealing with that part of it? You know, it's like, well, you're only giving me 20 boards, but it is a very specific process.
Yes. Some of our customers have told us to consider every board we build as though it's going into flight. So it's going to be in orbit, or it's going to be on an aircraft, whether it's a test board or not. And it's very, very hard to recall something that's in orbit, so we have to be precise as we execute. And that means making sure that as we go through the process, we're redundant in our inspections, and then we've got a team that we really try and focus on certain customers with certain talent because of the nature of what the demands of an individual customer.
Well, Michael, I think we hit a lot of new topics, which is so fun. You and I have done this a dozen or more times, but every time we find something new to talk about, and I think this gave the audience some new information. But for those that are watching this, they're just learning about Green Circuits, what's the best website they can go to?
Go to greencircuits.com. Check us out. Love to have you come visit, and appreciate the time today.
All right, thank you. Thank you for watching What's New in Electronics.